6th of August 2023. I've just made some more room in the drying rack for some more onions, and they really do need to be taken out. These are roasted Roscoff, Keravel, grown from seed this year, and they are going to seed themselves. So I've got to try and salvage what I can before they go all to hell. This gardening lark this year really is hard work. So I'm going to take these up and put them up to dry. Back in a minute. That should make it a bit easier. So that's just one row. Oh, I'm going to stand in my own shadow now. They ain't too bad. They're very good size. They're better than the Bedford Champion, which are absolutely rubbish this year. And they started to go to seed as well. So I don't think you really need to see the rest of what I'm up to. It's just a matter of, if you think they're going to get any worse, get them out, dry them, and hope they keep. That's all you can do really, innit? If not, I'll have to buy bloody supermarket onions, which I don't want to do. So we'll come back when I've got the rest of these out. Prime example of an onion that ain't going to keep. So when I clean them, I usually just tuck the tops of the greens over a little bit, and this one has snapped off completely. And if you look inside, he's going to seed. So this won't keep. So these will have to go in and be used, or I'll have to make something that I can use them in and store them in the freezer. So probably end up making a batch of something tomorrow, cottage pie or something like that, just to use up the ones that have started to go. It is a bloody shame because they're nice onions. But like I say, if you get them like that, use them straight away. Don't try and make them last, because they won't. So there we have it. That's the Keravels clean. Lose quite a bit. They're not the best. Most of them have gone to seed, which is a shame, but it's down to the weather really. There's one or two little ones that, you know, they'll be alright. You can just treat them like you would a spring onion, to be honest. You know, just clean them up. That's clean enough, to be honest. And then absolutely bloody lovely. Not too much in your, yeah, not overly strong. Full of flavour. Absolutely fantastic. Definitely grow them again next year, and hope they don't go to seed. There we go. Don't give up. Keep on gardening.